Look at the ivy on the old clanging wall. Look at the flowers and the green grass so tall. It's not a matter of when push comes to shove. It's just the hour on the wings of a dove. That's just warm love. It's just warm love. I dig it when you're fancy dressed up in lace. I dig it when you have a smile on your face. This inspiration's got to be on the floor. These invitations got to see it and know it's just warm love. It's just warm.
Charlie, Gina, you have everything? Skis, boots, poles, goggles, hat, some mittens? Yes? You ready?
I think so.
Yeah, okay. Yeah. Great. I now pronounce you, and that's it. Nice. You said keep it short, right? Okay, just kidding. Today we're all here to celebrate Gina and Charlie, whose love story has continued to be something so very special to watch unfold. They first met at a wedding, standing by the side of some of their favorite friends, proving that love can really be in the air. Gina and Charlie are the perfect balance of love and laughter. They hold each other accountable and are endlessly patient with one another, and are always ready to do whatever it takes to be on the same page. They know that love is not perpetual bliss. It's being able to face the hard moments with an eagerness to understand each other instead of just fighting to win. Their story has been a path of doubling down on self-awareness. So they both show up with compassion for each other and a commitment to be the best version of themselves for each other. They've turned a house into a home, one that will continue to be filled with lots of Charlie projects, Bama games, roll tide, memories with friends and family, lots of Facebook Marketplace finds, hopefully kids, and a few more dogs, because why not? They share a vision for the future together, tackle every hard conversation, no matter how difficult, with respect, and find joy in every adventure, whether there's sunshine or snow. Their journey together has definitely put miles on the car, but most importantly has built them a life full of love and deep understanding of each other. When Gina first called me and said, "Sis, I met this guy," I was prepared to give you the big sister speech. But honestly, I have never worried about her heart in your hands. When you both look at each other, it's like time slows down. And anyone who happens to catch it can almost hear this really cheesy, romantic song playing in the background. There's just something about true love that you can't really explain when you see it. Maybe it was the spark in your voice, Gina, that I came to recognize, or maybe it was that you instantly felt like family when I met you. But whatever it was, I knew that we'd be here, just like we are today. Charlie, Gina respects and loves not just the man you are, but the genuine and unconditional love you've continued to give her. She loves how kind and patient you are and how much empathy you have for others. She loves the way you make her laugh every single day. How hardworking you are, not just at work and in pursuing your dreams, but in how you care for your family and your friends, and also as a dog dad. She loves that you don't question her when she needs reassurance, but you seek to understand. And even though you never gave her a bite of your steak on your first date and she gave you a shrimp at that wedding, she can't wait to dance with you to John Johnson, aka Jack Johnson, for the rest of your life. She's loved every moment of your journey together, every drive, every camping trip, every 1-2 bar, 1-2 car adventure. And funny, when I asked you both about your favorite memories, you both talked about this sketchy camping trip in Toppenish. I don't know what happened there, but it was both of your favorites. Sounded weird. You are her safety, her best friend, her meant to be. And she can't wait to remind you of that every single day. Gina. No, you have to wait.
I know.
You can't do that yet. Okay. So just wait 5 minutes, I promise. Okay. 4. Gina. Charlie loves that you came into his life so unexpectedly and have continued to show him that love is sometimes silly, sometimes scary, but also the greatest adventure of a lifetime. He loves your free spirit, your willingness to try new things with him, and that you're an absolute boss lady. He values that your relationship in the beginning was forced to be built on communication and trust because he knows that it built what you have today. He knew that you were the one when he said, "I love you" for the first time. And every silly moment, adventure, memory you both have made along the way has continued to solidify, well, when you know, you know. He loves the way you love him and intentionally make sure that he is reminded of it all the time. You are also his best friend, his meant to be, and the person he can't wait to keep doing life with. Earlier today, Gina and Charlie shared their vows together. But before they share a few others and we get to the I do's, I'd like to ask all of you here today to vow to a very special place that we play in supporting these two in marriage. If you all are committed to supporting them with love, positivity, and respect, and are willing to help guide them through all the adventures that lie ahead, please respond with, "We will."
We will.
Okay, I need Gina's.
Oh, fall.
Go first.
Do
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. Okay. Charlie, do you take Gina as she is, loving all that you already know of her and trusting in what you have yet to discover? Do you vow to always support and respect her, to be patient and gracious towards her, and to work together with her through all that life brings as you strive to achieve your shared goals?
Yeah, okay. I do.
Okay, great. Here you go.
Oh, yeah. This thing?
Charlie, please.
Do I put this on now?
Yep, you're gonna place it on her finger
Lace?
as a symbol of your vows, your love, and your commitment, and as a reminder of all those who love and support you in marriage. You ready, sis?
Sure am.
Oh,
Okay.
yeah.
Sure thing.
I told you, just 4 more minutes, okay?
4 more now?
Gina, do you take Charlie as he is, loving all that you already know of him, trusting in what you have yet to discover? Do you vow to always support and respect him, to be patient and gracious towards him, and to work together with him through all that life brings as you strive to achieve your shared goals?
Yes, I do. Sure thing.
You're gonna put this. Gina, please place this ring on Charlie's finger as a symbol of your vows, your love, and your commitment, as a reminder of all those who love and support you in this marriage. I cannot believe I'm about to do this. I'm so excited. Okay, here we go. Okay. By the power vested in me and with all the love and joy surrounding you both, I am so proud to pronounce you both husband and wife. Let me get out of the way and then you can kiss your bride.
Okay.
Okay, great. Everyone, do it again. It is my greatest honor to introduce you to the first time, Mr. and Mrs. Bradford. You guys can go.